Brooks exclusive.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Brandy and I'm back. I decided to play in some makeup, so I'm going to share with you all some of the items that I picked up from the Sephora haul. I just threw everything back in here. I already hauled it, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But today in this video I want to try on some of my products that I have, like the Laneige. This is the peppermint, and yeah, I want to try it on today. And they actually give you a spatula, but I don't know what I did with it, so I'm going to just use my finger. It's mine. And put it on my lips. Okay, it smells like peppermint, but it's not like menthol, tingly, plumping. So for those of you all who are interested in this product, but you are not kind of, you know, sure if you want it, because some people don't like the tingling, they actually gave me a cute little scarf. I thought this was cute, but it's a little bit too small to use as like a hair scarf. Well, maybe I could use it on today. I'm gonna put it on my head. I'm just gonna leave it on there for just a hot second. Okay, so the star of the show is this Gucci foundation, and I pray that this is my color, because I ain't going back down there. So I'm really hoping that it is. So we're gonna use the Makeup Forever. Is this a matte? Let's see. This is a natural, so it's like a natural finish, fluid finish. So we're gonna use Makeup Forever. It's the shine control, because I don't want to be greasy looking. And we're just gonna put that in the T-zone area of our face. Why I keep saying our face? Of my face. I'm gonna put it in the T-zone area of my face. Okay, so before I get to that portion of the video, I want to fill in my brows just a little bit, you guys. And I just take a random e.l.f. pencil and I just fill it in. I have like maybe like this part of my brow that, I don't know, when you get your brows microbladed, they aren't as perfect as you might want them to be. I mean, to me, I feel like I don't need to fill them in. That's the beauty of having micro brows, micro shading, you know, and whatnot. But if you want that like perfect look, and then you know you have to clean it up, so I just take a little bit of my, and then I don't know, I flick like maybe 3 or 4 hairs in the front. I don't know why I do that, but I just do. Yeah. Okay. And that is about it. I take my brush, which is this isn't my favorite brush, but I'll use it because that's the only thing that I see. And I just take some concealer. Yeah, so we're gonna play in makeup. So I was at home and I was actually watching a YouTube video. It's more so on the spiritual side. It's not the regular beauty. And just feeding my spirit, that's about it. So I'm gonna put this on really quick. I'm gonna speed it up because I know you guys seen this before. So I just did my brows and whatnot just to make them look a little bit more clean up and whatnot, and now we are going to go in with this foundation. So let's have us some fun. It's a cute packaging. It has like the pink top and the gold pump. I'm going to shake it up really good, and we're going to find a brush while I do all of that. This is, did I tell y'all the shade 360W? Yeah. Watery. It was supposed to be watery. I don't remember that. Let me get a paper towel. Do I have some? Okay, let's try it again. Okay, it's a little bit more thick. And I'm going to just rub it in. It is on, and I really like the way it's looking. I'm going to use a Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use her like orange corrector. I call it the orange corrector, but on the back of it says tan. It's the mini one, and it looks like that. And then when you open it up, you have a lot of product. I've been using this for a minute. It's been lasting. I use it all the time. So I just place it under the eyes, and it just helps so that the dark circles won't like come through of the concealer. And I just put it there. You can actually put it on dark areas. You can actually put this on before you put on your foundation, like you might have hyperpigmentation, some acne, scarring, dark marks, whatever the case may be. You can do that, but we don't need to do all that. Well, I don't today. I'm not going to be doing all that. So the next thing that I do is I'm going to put on my concealer, and this is the Born This Way from Too Faced. It's the multi-use sculpting concealer. We're going to apply that. And then we're going to take this lighter color. Now this was in Butterscotch. The lighter concealer that I have in my hand is called Cookie. And I like to use this as like a highlight. And then I mix it in with my regular concealer, like so. Okay. We're gonna let that sit for a minute. Let me get my sponge ready. Alright, so I have this sponge. I don't know where I got this sponge from. I think it's by Morphe, if I'm not mistaken. And I didn't really like it, so I'm just gonna use it anyway, since I have it. And I'm just going to blend out the concealer like so. Okay, so I'm going to use the Anastasia. This is Banana. I haven't used that in a while as well. To be quite honest with you, I don't know if I liked it, but we're going to use it on today. I'll pour some in the cap. So let's just spray. This is pretty good. This Glowish, it is by Huda, and this is in the shade Deep Tan. Now, to be honest with you all, I do like the one from Huda Beauty. I'm sorry, I do like the one from Benefit better, and it's the Huda Caramel, and it looks like this, as you can see. So I might just use both. Let's see. Swirl it. And like so. Just add a little bit more. For some reason, I don't like the way that my under eye is looking with that Anastasia. So I'm going to take a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury, and she has a like an under eye setting powder, and this is in number 3. Yeah, number 3, tan, I believe. And I'm almost out. Looks a little bit better. Let's go back in this here Sephora bag, and I did buy a palette, y'all. It's the Natasha Denona. I guess use that as well. So what I'm going to do, I don't see a transition shade on this. The only thing about this palette is, you know, there's always like a transition shade, like a caramel. So I'm just going to take my bronzer and use it as a transition shade. So I did have some Gucci mascara, and so far it's pretty okay. I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm going to just put it on right now because I'm going to prep my lashes for falsies. And it lengthens really well. It has that brush. I'm going to let you see the before and after. And close. So you can see this eye there's nothing on it, right? And then you see this eye, there is mascara. It looks really well. And this is how it looks from the side view. It's pretty good. Okay, beauty, so I am back and I put on my lashes. I'm gonna put on this Charlotte Tilbury spray. I think this is like my third bottle. I kind of like it. So I'm gonna spray. We're gonna get some lipstick on and we're gonna do a bright, bold color. Comes like this. This is from Gucci and I wore it once and it's really pretty, so I'm gonna wear it again. This time I'm gonna put on a lip liner. And this is like a hot pink. It kind of reminds me of Candy Yum Yum, but a little bit lighter. It's pretty. I like it. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back and I am liking the foundation. This is the Gucci. The only thing about this here look that I have going on, I don't like the Anastasia. Let's see, where did I put it? Something about this under eye powder I don't really like. Yeah, I don't like how it has my under eyes looking. But other than that, this is a really nice foundation. I love this is a really nice foundation. I like the lippy and the Anastasia and the Charlotte Tilbury is it's like a really nice setting spray, and it makes you go from looking like ghostly to, you know, everything just falls in place. Now the lashes that I have on is called Fabulash. I picked these up at Marshall's. They have these at Marshall's. They're only $3.99 and they're by Cara Beauty. These are the number 3D faux lashes. This is it right here. And that will complete this here look. So if you enjoyed this here video, give me a thumbs up, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, guys, have a great one. Bye, y'all. Be blessed.